Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Jobs. In this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus drive full-time jobs for 2022-21 and 2020 batch. Synopsys, Cadence, Siemens and Deloitte is hiring for the various engineering roles. In this video, we will be discussing about the branches which are eligible, the role and how to apply. The first opportunity is from Synopsys. They are hiring as a role of intern. If we talk about qualification, then BTech or MTech in electrical, electronics, microelectronics, VLSI or embedded systems are eligible for this job. Should be familiar in Verilog or System Verilog. Good understanding in digital design flow. If we talk about preferred experience, then the candidate should have worked in system level and RTL based hardware design and should have basic understanding of the coding language such as Verilog, System Verilog, usage of tools and its rule. So the skill set which they are hiring is for design verification. Work experience is fresher, so 2022 grads can apply for this job. Industry type is semiconductor and they are hiring for Bangalore location. The second opportunity is from Cadence. They are hiring as a role of intern. The tenure for this intern is 11 months. Educational qualification is BE, BTech or ME, MTech in electronics and computer engineering. The candidate should have a good understanding in digital or analog skills, strong analysis and problem solving skills, excellent algorithms skills. So guys, they are hiring for the role of 11 months, but there is a high probability if you give your 100% effort, then you can convert your internship to a PPO and after 11 months you will be offered as a full-time employee. The third opportunity is from Siemens. They are hiring for the role of junior developer. The location will be Gurgaon, Haryana. Candidates should have strong reasoning and problem solving skills, should have good command in data structure and algorithm, ability to develop or program solutions in Power Apps and UI paths, should have a good knowledge in database and SQL. So these are the key responsibilities what you have to do. You have to understand and execute complete software development lifecycle, develop flowcharts, layouts and documentation to identify requirements and solutions, ability to train, share knowledge and with peers. Experience level is entry level professional. So all 2022 grads can apply for this job. Job type is full time. So over here no specific branch is mentioned. So all BE, BTech and ME, MTech students can apply for this job. The fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from Deloitte off-campus recruitment. It is hiring for the role of associate analyst. The location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. Job type is full-time. If we talk about the job description, that what work you will do, then you have to fulfill the day-to-day operations, data maintenance and to make sure that the data captured is of a high quality, should work in SAP technology, deliver of work with minimal errors within agreed time frame, database maintenance and quality checks to ensure accurate data is reflecting in SAP. If we talk about the qualification, then all graduates with advanced MS Excel skills can apply. 0 to 2 years of work experience, it means 2020, 21, 22 graduates can apply for this job. You should have strong communication skills, verbal and written, and interpersonal skills with the ability to communicate clearly. So yeah, these are the jobs. If you are eligible according to the skill sets and according to the eligibility criteria, then you must apply for this job. If you are having any queries, then please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech jobs. Thank you.